let's go through squats on the cable Kinesis machine. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the step is set down flat. So if you come in and the step is up like so, you just pull your two yellow buttons up either side and push it down so it's nice and flat. Okay? When we're getting set up, we can either face the machine or face the opposite direction. If you're struggling with your stability or can't get down easily into a squat position, you can use the handles here to help yourself come down and grab on. Okay? You make sure you have the same weight selected on each side. Pick an appropriate weight for whatever sets and reps you're doing. I'm going to get set up just facing away from the machine because I'm happy enough getting down into position. Okay? So, for most people, your feet will be out like the maximum width of the machine, like so. So literally, my feet are out pretty much shoulder width apart. I want my toes out slightly further than my heels. My big toe, my little toe, and my heel are all grabbing the ground, so it's called rooting my feet. I act like my feet are a pair of hands and they're going to grab the ground hard, and I'm going to imagine I'm trying to spread the floor apart the whole time. Okay, so that's called rooting my feet. From there, I'm going to sit back into my hips, squatting down, grabbing my handle either side, so my arms are nice and straight, shoulders are shrugged up into place, and then I stand up from there. Okay, so on every rep, 2 shoulders shrugged up, arms nice and straight and tight to my sides, so I'm squeezing my sides tight as well. Chest up, knees out, feet stay flat on the floor, and I just sit back slightly as if I'm sitting back onto a chair, go as deep as I can, and then drive up from there again. Okay? So when I come down, I'm not letting the knees cave in, and I'm also not letting the heels lift up off the floor. So heels flat, knees out nice and wide, and then we drive up from there as well. I'm also not bending over at the bottom either. So we're driving that chest up nice and tall, and then doing our squats from there. Okay, they are squats on our cable Kinesis machine.